If you're just getting started with Amazon KDP, AI coloring books probably look very appealing right now. You see people talking about speed, automation, the idea of creating books quickly and building income online. And on the surface, it sounds simple, but once you actually try it, reality hits. Too many ideas, too many tools, pages that don't look right, styles that don't match, and a lot of time spent creating books that never really go anywhere. That's why today I'm gonna go over entry-level AI coloring books that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP. Because not all AI coloring books are a good place to start. Some niches are overcrowded, some require far more work that people don't want to take on, and some just aren't worth the effort if your goal is to start making sales and gain momentum. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through entry-level AI coloring book ideas that actually make sense. Books that are realistic for beginners and up, works perfectly well for AI, and doesn't require drawing skills or a big budget. So if you've been interested in AI coloring books, but you're confused where to start, this video is for you. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be the Axolotl coloring book. We're going to see total results here, 491, so not too competitive. Remember, I like to look for total results of about 1,000 or below, just to ensure that any niche that I'm looking into is not too competitive and it's going to give my book the best chance at getting seen and getting sold. Now we see a niche score of 55, and typically I like to look for a score of at least 50. And then Titans Pro Analysis, both green here, demand a 7, opportunity a 9. So everything numbers wise looks good with this niche. And when we take a look at some of these books, we have this Axolotl coloring book for kids, ranked at 187,000. The book right next to it, Axolotl coloring book, looks pretty similar, I would say, ranked at 138,000. Then you have this bold and easy type Axolotl coloring book, ranked even lower at 42,000. We even have a lot more books here doing very well. This book ranked 71,000. This book, a bestseller, ranked at 18,000. This bold and easy type Axolotl coloring book, 134,000. Here's another one, 97,000, and another one, 45,000. So basically, I would say if you get your book ranked on the first page, you're gonna have a good shot at getting your book seen and getting your book sold. Now, if we take a look at this example, this is the Axolotl coloring book. This one has 40 illustrations, so not a very lengthy book. If you see right here, print length, total overall 84 pages, and price at $9.99. And like I've said before, I typically like to price my books around $9.99, and that's really what you can do with these coloring books. Now, this one has the #1 bestseller badge, has a very high rating at 4.8 out of 5, and 86% is a 5-star. Now, looking at the sample, here is the front cover, very simple type of cover. Now, this book also includes fun facts about axolotls, so that's another way that this adds value on top of probably the other coloring books that you see that are only coloring pages. So that's something that you can think about. As we can see here, Axolotl is a small, cute creature from the salamander family. Now here is the first page, and if you notice with this page looks like it was created by AI. If you take a really close look, you can tell some lines are not completed, and even there's no outline right here, where all the other ears here have an outline, and some lines here just aren't uniform. But it doesn't really matter because the customers here tend to like this book. And so this type of interior does really well. Now, if you are interested in starting to create these AI coloring books, I've linked an AI prompt list down below. If you want to check it out, it's basically a super prompt that you enter into Nano Banana or ChatGPT, and it'll create the entire book for you, from the cover, the title, the subtitle, as well as these interior pages, also including the SEO keywords that you can enter in the back and those 7 keyword boxes on Amazon. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out that link down below. Now, this book with the bestsellers rank of 18,810 is seeing 30-day royalties estimated around $700 to over $1,100 per month. Not so bad for an obviously AI-made coloring book. Now, the next entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be the Bible Verses coloring book for kids. We see total results here, 1,338. So not too competitive here with a niche score from Titans Quick View of a 54. And the Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. We're going to see this book ranked at 256,000. This book is ranked at 2,000. This one right here, 5,608. This one ranked at 39,000. Another one right here, very simple looking, ranked at 73,000. And this one, a bold and easy type, ranked at 123,000. Now, taking a look at this book, this is titled Bible Verse Coloring Book for Kids. 30 simple scripture coloring pages for kids ages 2 to 6. So pretty specific on the age range. Now, this book, like it says, only 30 coloring pages, so total 61 pages overall. Not a very lengthy book. Priced at $9.99. And when we take a look at the sample, here's the cover. Very simple cover, simple title. A book belongs to page that I show you how to make all the time. And then here is one page of the interior. As you can see, the Bible verse right here, and then a corresponding image or a corresponding illustration that matches the Bible verse. And then on the back cover, some more right here. Now, one thing I want you to notice is if you look from this one to this one, the style kind of changes. And then if you look from this one to this one, the style changes again. Now, the one up here and the one down here on the right side look a little bit more similar, but I would say all 4 of these look kind of different, which kind of tells me and tips me off that this was definitely made by AI, but it kind of doesn't really matter because people are enjoying it. It has 2 ratings so far, a pretty newly published book, 100% 5-star, ranked at 99,000. So 30-day royalties estimated around $200 to $300 per month, all coming from an AI coloring book. So as you can see, there is a spot, there is a place for AI within Amazon KDP. You just have to find the right niche, the right type of book, and the customers will come. Now, if you want to check out my previous video where I did use the prompt list that I mentioned in the description down below, you can go ahead and watch that video, the previous one, and it'll show you exactly how to use the prompt list to start creating these AI coloring books. Now, the next entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be this bold and easy kawaii coloring book. We see total results 1,693. So not overly competitive here. With a niche score of 55, Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. Now looking through these books, you see this one right here, Kawaii Pairs coloring book, ranked at 166,000. This cute kawaii animals, bold and easy type, 320,000. Kawaii cats ranked at 104,000. Kawaii food ranked at 235,000. Psychedelic kawaii, 223,000. Matcha type of kawaii coloring book ranked at 319,000. And this creepy kawaii ranked at 70,000. So a lot of examples here of books doing pretty well. Now, if we take a look at this book, the Kawaii Pairs coloring book, total length is 81 pages. So total amount of illustrations, probably around 35 to 40, not a very lengthy book. Now, this one is that square type, so 8.5 by 8.5 inches. And this one's priced at $8.99. Now, when we look at the sample, you can see this is the type of styling this book has. And then if we find one of the first pages, here it is right here. Now, obviously to me, this looks like an AI produced page. And if we look at more of the sample here, the back cover, you can see everything has eyeballs, which in the early days of AI, this is a big thing with eyes and smiley faces. But obviously there are places for AI, and this book does very well. As we can see with the rating, 4.5 out of 5, 75%. A 5-star, and that book ranking 166,000. So 30-day royalties estimated around $100 to almost $200 per month, all coming from an AI coloring book. Now, the next entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be the Adorable Creepy Monsters coloring book. Total results 337, so not competitive here at all, and niche score of 59 with the Titans Pro Analysis saying demand pretty low here, 3, but opportunity is a 7. But when I did go through this page, there's actually a lot of books selling very, very well. As you can see here, ranked at 24,000, 124,000, 258,000, and then we see 18,000 BSR. Now if we take a look at this book, Adorable Creepy Monsters coloring book, we can see that this book total 106 pages, so not too long. I would say about 50 illustrations, priced at $9.99. But the great thing about this niche is that when you actually take a look at the interiors, you're going to see that this is actually perfect for AI. As we can see, this, in my opinion, was produced by AI. I mean, just look at the hands, how messed up they are. And same with this area right here where it's not connected with the character. And if we look at more of the examples, but this is a perfect example of where AI really does well, is with these fantasy themes, these creatures, and these monsters, because that's exactly what it can produce. Now looking at the bestsellers rank, 24,000. So we see 30-day royalties anywhere from $600 to over $1,000 per month coming from an AI coloring book. Now the next entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be this Fantasy Fairy Homes coloring book for adults. Now a little bit competitive here, but there's a lot of examples of books doing well here. So total results 2,592 with a niche score of 59. Now looking through the books here, you're going to notice 300,000 BSR, 100,000 BSR, 100,000, 100,000. This one is 1,000 BSR, 400,000 BSR, 100,000 BSR, 100,000 BSR, and a lot of examples here of books all throughout the first page doing very, very well. I see another one right here, 148,000 BSR. And when we take a look at an example, this one, Fairyland adult coloring book. So this one made of fairies, magical houses, fantasy castles. This one has 104 pages, so probably 50 illustrations. And this one's your typical coloring book size, 8.5 by 11 inches, priced at $9.99. Now, when we take a look at the sample, I would say the front cover looks very, very good. Now looking at the interior, you can see obviously this was made by AI. Once again, a perfect place for AI to create coloring books is the fantasy theme. And as we can see, another page here and some more pages of the interior on the back cover. Now this book with a BSR of 1,544, seeing 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $5,000 to over $8,000 per month coming from one AI coloring book. And we can see that it's going to do very well, and it's going to continue to do very well because it has a 4.6 out of 5 rating, where the majority, 78%, is a 5-star. Now the next entry-level AI coloring book that won't waste your time on Amazon KDP is going to be this Gnomes coloring book. We see total results just under 1,000 at 960, so not too competitive here. This is a great niche to get started in, with a niche score of 53, and Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. Now looking through the first page, this book right here ranked at 84,000, and then you have this Enchanted Gnomes ranked at 137,000, Adorable Gnomes, this one ranked at 197,000, this one a Christmas theme gnome coloring book ranked at 209,000, a Bold and Easy type 261,000. This one, Adorable Gnomes 2 coloring book, ranked at 161,000. This Fantasy Gnomes, 196,000. And a Valentine themed Gnomes coloring book, ranked at 260,000. Now taking a look at this example called Comfy Gnomes, a cute and comfy coloring book for adults and teens. This one only has 32 illustrations or 32 coloring pages, so totaling 76 pages overall. Not a very lengthy book, but still, like I said before, you can price it pretty high at $9.99, and it doesn't really affect the ratings because this one, 4.6 out of 5, 82%, a 5-star. So this book is doing very, very well. And when we take a look at the sample, on the back cover, there are some illustrations. There's actually nothing in the sample itself, but you can see 6 pages here. Looks very good. I would say this is actually created by an actual artist, but the way that AI is going now and has evolved, AI can now pretty much make this type of style without actually having to hire an illustrator to create these coloring books. Now this one with a bestsellers rank of 84,000 is seeing 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $200 to $300 per month. Here's another Gnomes coloring book that's doing pretty well. Now this one I would say is obviously made by AI. It's more of a grayscale type of coloring book, but as we can see the interiors, Looks very, very good. And from what I can see, very cohesive. The style stays the same, different types of characters. Now this book has a ranking of 161,000, but as we can see with 30-day royalties, anywhere from $100 to over $200 per month. So this is another example of a book doing very, very well with a rating of a perfect 5. So as you can see, there are places here where AI totally makes sense. Now, if you're interested in a simple way to start creating AI coloring books, you can check out the link down below to an AI prompt list. It's designed to build the entire book for you. That includes the cover, the interior coloring pages, the book title, subtitle, the description, and even the SEO keywords for Amazon. Just keep in mind, it's not free, but for what it replaces in time, trial and error, and setup, it can be a very practical starting point if you're serious about publishing and starting to create these AI coloring books. If you want more guidance beyond this video, my KDP royalty roadmap is also linked down below. It's free and it'll walk you through the fundamentals of publishing step by step, so don't forget to check that out. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.